checking a solution. So a solution is made up of two equal expressions. So let's look at the first example. So let's just go back to the foot parade in one of the earlier videos. So there's only a moose, octopus, and snails in the parade. So we're going to determine if this makes 22 feet with the following below, where M is for moose, O is for octopus, and S is for snail. So what we're going to do is substitute in these numbers, right? Because that's how many legs they have, or feet. And we're going to determine if that's equal to 22 when we go ahead and plug it all in. And we're going to go ahead and solve. So let's go see. So if M is equal to 4, notice we have an M here. O is right here. And then we have a S for snail, which would go right there. So we're going to go ahead and substitute all those in. So we have 2 times 4 plus 1, right? Anytime this variable is right next to it, like this, we're going to go ahead and multiply those together. So we have O, which would be 8. And then we have plus 6. And then we have 1. And we're trying to determine if this is equal to 22. If we have the following animals. So we have 2 moose, 1 octopus, and 6 snails in our foot parade. Does that equal 22 legs? So let's go ahead and solve. So if we have 2 times 4, right, so that's 8 plus 1 times 8, so that would be 8. And then we have plus 6 times 1, so that would be 6. And let's go see if this is equal to 22. Well, 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. So let's go ahead and just do it like this. So 8 plus 8, so you can go like this. 8 plus 8 is 16. Then 16 plus 6, right? So we added those. Now 16 plus 6, 6 plus 6 would be 12. We're going to carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we get 22 when we add those numbers together, which is equal to 22. And so, right, if we say a solution is made up of two equal expressions, this checks out because 22 is equal to 22, right? If this was a different number, we would say this is not a solution. So we would say, yes, this is a solution. Now let's look at the next example. Example 2, is x equal to 4 the solution to negative 3x plus 6 equal to 1? So let's go ahead. We only have to substitute one number in here. So we go, and when we see x, we'll put in the 4. So we have negative 3, then we'll put in parentheses, right, this 4 plus 6, which is equal to 1. So we're going to determine, well now, negative 3 times 4, well that would be negative 12, plus 6 equals 1. Well, negative 12 plus 6, right, we could go ahead and just swap it and go 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6 is 6, but we're going to keep the sign of the larger number, which is 12, so that would be negative 6. So on the left-hand side, we have negative 6 is equal to 1. Well, this is not a solution. So x is not equal to 4. That's what we would say.